Homeowners have plenty to be concerned about. Many homeowners wonder if their foundation is as solid as it should be. Stay tuned to hear the secrets of identifying a bad foundation for your peace of mind. Hi, I'm Nolan Beery, the Director of Sales Development at AccuLevel. Owning a home is one of the biggest investments you'll ever make. You want to have it in top shape. In this video, I'll explain how you can know if your foundation is bad, what can destroy your home's foundation, and can it be saved. If you're a homeowner and you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also, ring that bell for more content about home foundation repair and waterproofing. Let's get started. The first and most obvious sign that there could be something going on with your foundation is cracks. Now, this could be cracks in the foundation wall itself, whether that's a basement or a crawl space wall, but it can also lead to drywall cracks or crack in the brick facade that's on the exterior of your home. The other thing you want to watch is the gaps around your windows. Where that caulk was, is it starting to pull away? Or maybe the windows don't even open themselves. These are things that you can really pay attention to find out if something's going on with your foundation. First and foremost, water is the enemy of every foundation. The more water stands around the foundation, the more it weakens the soil and starts to break down that foundation. Whether it allows water into the home or it just causes the house to settle because it's compromised the soil. The other things that you want to watch for, what can harm your foundation, is actually the soil that it sits on. Make sure that the soil is good and hard, and make sure that there's no other signs such as sinkholes going on around your home that might indicate that there could be bad soils beneath it. Yes, everything can be fixed, but it all comes with a cost. So if your foundation is just decaying and falling apart, that might mean you have to rebuild the foundation itself, but that can be done while saving the rest of the home. If the foundation's beginning to sink, there's many options that you can do to make sure that you stabilize the home. Now, with most stabilizing options, such as helical piers, this is going to be sure that your home doesn't settle anymore, but cannot necessarily mean it's going to lift back to where it was. But as long as you have that structure safe and it's not sinking anymore, the rest becomes cosmetic and can easily be fixed. To schedule an appointment with one of our project advisors, call us or go to our homepage, acculevel.com, and click the Book a Consultation button. Fill out the form, and we'll contact you within the next business day. Do you have questions about your home's foundation? If so, please leave them in the comments below. Check out the description for more videos and blog articles on crawl space and foundation repair. And don't forget to give us a thumbs up and ring that bell. We'd greatly appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching.